Hi guys, I was about to make a burrata salad and मैंने सोचा why not show you guys how I make it क्योंकि बहुत simple, quick and easy है burrata salad बनाना. And I was about to make it for dinner for me and my sister. My parents are out, they've gone to a wedding. So I thought why not just film it, show you guys how we make this quick and easy burrata salad at home. I love me a good burrata. Firstly, I'm going to show you guys what are the ingredients that you're going to need to make a burrata salad. Here's everything you need to make a good burrata salad at home. Firstly, some cherry tomatoes, some blueberries, some pomegranates, some pickled beetroot, an orange, some basil. Of course, you need some burrata, and for the seasoning, I'm going to use oregano and some chili flakes. So let's go ahead and make some burrata salad. First up, I've got my cherry tomatoes in a strainer and I'm going to properly wash them. Just going to drizzle some olive oil in a pan. Then we throw in our cherry tomatoes, some chili flakes, some oregano, a little bit of salt. Toss it up. Here's what it's looking like. Smells very good. I've put it on very slow flame and now I'm just going to cover it up and let it cook. While my tomatoes are cooking back there, I'm just going to peel up some mandarin orange. This is always such a task.
0, 1. Let's get started. Why stopping me?
While the tomatoes are cooking, I'm also going to take a handful of blueberries and wash them off. And let's also sort out the basil. Let's get the leaves out of the stems. The basil is smelling so damn nice. It smells heavenly. Alright, the tomatoes are done. The basil is ready. The blueberry is ready. And also the orange is ready. Now let's assemble our salad. मुझे पर्सनली एक डीप बोल अच्छा लगता है मेरा सैलड असेंबल करने के लिए. यू कैन टेक व्हाटएवर यू वांट एंड पुट इट इन व्हाटएवर यू वांट. Here's how we assemble the salad. First we put in all of our tomatoes, then goes in our orange, then goes in the beautiful blueberries. It's very healthy for you. I'm also gonna eat some. Love it, and it's very healthy for you. Eat your fruits, eat your veggies, eat your greens, drink your smoothies. That's all I'm saying. Then I'm gonna put a few pomegranate seeds because they're very healthy and very delicious. Actually, lots of them. Okay, then I'm just gonna put a few pickled beetroots that I actually made at home. It's very easy. You can just look up for the pickled beetroot recipe on YouTube. And lastly, we're gonna take our burrata cheese. I spilled the water all over and put that in. Be very gentle. Shouldn't break, shouldn't crack. Ooh. Yummy, and it looks very fresh and very soft. And then lastly, I'm just gonna take some basil leaves and put it on top of my salad. Yummy! And it's ready. Let's try it out. Time for the reveal. Let's cut open this burrata and see how fresh and creamy it is. Oh my goodness. My sister has already taken a few bites of this, but let's do a taste test for you all. Let's get some burrata. I love good burrata. Let's get some burrata, some cherry tomato, some blueberries and pomegranates. That's my favorite. Here's what it looks like. Looks yum, right? So good. It's so good. Packed with flavor, easy to make, yummy to eat, healthy for the body, good for you. So what more do you need? Took me about 15 minutes to make this, and if I can make it, y'all can too. It's very easy. You don't need to know, you don't need to learn how to cook for this. And yeah, if you want, you can try out the recipe. You're gonna love it because we love it at my house. And yes, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to like before you leave and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.